Unmute yourself, please. Start your camera and state your name. iPhone 2. They were signing earlier. iPhone 2, unmute yourself, please. Start your camera and state your name, please. Good morning. I'm sending you the prompts. iPhone 2. All right, they're dropped off. Okay, let's go. About to get them in here. iPhone 2, good morning to you. You have to unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please. I'm sending you the prompts.
Zlate Jujovski.
All right, you're not driving, are you?
I'm just pulling over now, so.
All right, I'm about to put you out.
I'm stopped now.
I'm about to put you out until you get
Come upstairs.
to your location.
Don't sign it at work. I'll send it.
All right, iPhone, girl, sir, you gotta put your shirt on. What is your name?
Richard Granville.
Don't come in my courtroom like that again. You hear me? You understand me, sir?
Can you repeat that?
Don't come in my courtroom like that again. Take the scarf off your head, please.
It's a do-rag. I got you.
What is your name, sir?
Richard Granville.
I'm sorry.
Morning, Ms. Horn.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good
morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering on now and it does not represent religious purpose, please remove it now. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please mute your devices and take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. All right, good morning, everyone. I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna get you out, try to get you out in the order that you came in. Are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Review.
Here.
I didn't, okay. Here it is. City of Detroit versus Devon Maurice Lucci, case number SP 184-96642. Mr. Lucci, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm trying to turn my camera on.
State your name for the record, Mr. Lucci.
Good morning, Your Honor. Devon Lucci.
All right, good morning to you. Day, date, and time set for a review. You paid the obligation. I don't see you have any more cases. I'm going to dismiss the case, okay?
Okay, I appreciate it, Your Honor.
So you have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
City of Detroit. Can we get an interpreter for this gentleman here? Please. What happened to Stephen Darrell Green? That's the one. Okay, City of Detroit versus Darrell Green, case number SP 186-29431, SP 188-69871. Appearance for the record, please.
I got Wright Blake.
Oh,
Good
you
morning,
heard
Your Honor.
Attorney
Ben
Wright
Warbler,
Blake?
E64.
Oh, okay,
On
very
behalf of
good.
the
Let's
defendant,
pass. Let's pass it.
Okay.
Morning, sir. All right, City of Detroit versus Richard Granville Jr., case number SP 149-27501, SP 155-09701, SP 158-4332, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 179-0472, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 187-7845, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 187-7846-1. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please this most honorable court, Ben Warbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, could you state your full and complete name for the record at this time?
My name is Richard Granville Jr.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. No, Raymond on the bench warrant. Griffin is our in-person. Mr. Warbling, for purposes of arraignment.
Judge, we'll stand mute. We'll wait for him a reading at this time, Your Honor.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Granville, there's some cases I'll allow him to be heard on that aren't on the docket. Are you ready, Mr. Warbling?
Ready and prepared, Judge.
No valid registration, no proof of insurance, civil infraction, and disregard the traffic control device. All three of those are civil infractions.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Granville, Mr. Warbling's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Mr. Berry, this is a formal hearing. This is the City of Detroit versus Zlate Gorchavsky, case number SP 19098631. I apologize if I didn't pronounce your name correctly, sir. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, sir.
State your name, sir.
Zlate Jodowski.
Dragowski. All right, today is the date and time is set for a formal hearing. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to work this out for you. Join the room and let us know what you want to do. The officer is here. Officer Corporal Johnson is here. Corporal
Okay.
Johnson. Join the room. Zoom user. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please?
It's Jamaica Lewis.
Jamaica Lawrence,
Jamaica Lewis.
Jamaica Lewis. You gotta get appropriately dressed. Get that towel off your head and make yourself look appear
I
like
am
you're.
so tall. Yeah, that's a scarf on my hair. I want my
I
hair.
know. Make yourself put some clothes on.
Oh my God.
Oh my God is right.
No, I said I do have on clothes.
I can't tell.
It's hot outside. Like it's 90, 100 degrees. Like what my clothes gonna do?
You're in court, ma'am.
It's
You want to come
definitely
inside?
outside.
You come in the courtroom. It's not hot in here.
Okay, well I'm on live now, so
All right, come on in. What is your name?
Jamaica Lewis.
All right, you coming in person.
You said come
So
in
we don't have
person?
to, yeah, so you don't have to worry about it being hot.
I'm dressed now and I don't have no ride. I'm not driving.
It doesn't matter to me.
Like I just got dressed.
Interview of 45 minutes away from here.
What's the balance away from it?
Okay. You want her.
He said.
Court reporter here. Everyone, please mute your devices.
See this right here.
He fell off, Your Honor. I don't know what happened.
All right.
Yeah.
On the iPhone, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name?
My name is Gary Lightfoot.
No, not you. Good morning, Mr. Lightfoot. There's an iPhone that just got opened. Go, what's your name, sir?
Harold Lewis.
Harold Lewis. All right, if you have a tank top on, you got to put a shirt on, all right?
I have a shirt on.
Morning to you, Mr. Lewis.
Good morning.
Here in Michigan, later saying that she felt guilty, but she called it a lesson on the response.
That's why I changed my name on there.
But with some crazy little love move and other.
Oh wait, okay.
You ready for another one, Mr. Warbling? Here he comes back. Did you finish talking with him? Mr. Warbling?
Yeah, my phone died.
Yes, Judge.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Granville. Mr. Granville, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, with Mr. Granville's permission, if we could continue his not guilty plea, would we set this for a pretrial? You know, I think he's close to compliance to getting that driver's license.
Well, he's not gonna get the driver's license until he pays off these no insurance proofs, 336. And the other one is, I set aside the default. I'll allow him to pay the reinstatement fee. I'll allow him to pay the reinstatement fee on both of them. But understanding that one, he's gonna have to pay off completely, the SP 170048282. The other one, we'll set the default aside and allow him to be heard on that one.
Yes, Judge. Thank you, Your
What
Honor.
about this disorderly conduct? Is he gonna need an attorney for that?
I did not get his contact info, Judge. We didn't get that far until he fell off, Your Honor.
Well, do you want to go back and read?
Yes, if I could get his contact info.
Set the defaults aside on those two no insurance proofs. One of them you're gonna have to pay. The other one, I'll let you be heard on that. But you need to get those. You need to come down to the 36th District Court to pay those $45. There's no better way I can allow you to do that unless you come down to the courtroom and pay those $245. That'll get you clearances here. I don't know if that'll get you a license because I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions. I just know that you pay those to get clearances here. Put you back in the breakout room with Mr. Warbling and speak about the other issues.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Yes.
Is that Ahmad Ali? Is that an officer Ali? Al?
Are you speaking with me?
Yes.
No, I'm just a witness.
And who are you a witness for?
With Sophia Goldie.
Okay. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, let's move on. Mr. Berry, are we ready? All right, we're just waiting on an attorney. On the telephone at 313-588-0270. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
LaShonda Gilboy.
Okay, Gilboy. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
What is your name, sir? Alex. Alex Griffin? Good morning to you.
Really gonna go back to that house. Okay.
All right, you're gonna have to. Nice, Miss Boyd. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gorjowski. I've given you an opportunity to try to work it out. Were you able to come to some kind of resolution, Mr. Berry?
Yes, we did.
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is that?
Blocking traffic will be the plea, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, I do.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea in your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
I mean,
So
strike that. All right. With that, I'll find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it?
When? I can probably tomorrow. Or
Now,
can
let
I
me
pay
ask you
online?
are you a commercial driver?
Yes.
I think we may have problems with that blocking traffic, Mr. Berry. I'll see if Ms. Mathis can put it in. If he's a commercial, if he's got.
I've just got a chauffeur license. I'm not a CDL driver.
Sir, please.
Oh,
If
sorry.
you have a commercial driver's license, then there probably will not allow you to plead to a blocking traffic unless is articulated on the record why that was being done, Mr. Berry. Let me see if we can put it in first.
Okay.
All right, very well. $175, sir. When can you pay it? You say tomorrow?
Yeah, well, because I got it, I can pay online, yes. I can just call over the phone. I can pay anytime.
You can pay at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone as DIVDAT, or you can come down to the courthouse. There are other ways you can pay it online and things like that. Those are just the two best ways I can tell you to pay it.
Okay, not a problem.
I'll give you until the end of the week, July 3rd to get it here, okay?
Okay, not a problem.
Wish you the best of luck, sir. Have
Okay,
a very
thank
good rest.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Bye-bye.
City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Thomas Graves. Case number SP 1910986, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Graves.
Thomas Emery Graves.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record last time with Mr. Granville. Mr. Granville, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel again. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, he's looking for that pretrial date for the reasons we've already cited. And then with respect to the disorderly conduct, he would request MIDC counsel. I'm providing that phone number as we speak, Your Honor.
Can I get some dates, Ms. Mathis?
Oh, dates.
Please.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Granville, I'm going to appoint you an attorney. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, I'm going to get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
Pretrial date.
July 21st.
All right, pretrial date is going to be July the 21st, 2026 at 8:30. If you don't have anything further, I don't have to tell you about coming in appropriately dressed next time. Be prepared, all right?
Okay.
I have a very good rest of your best of luck to you, sir.
Okay, you as well, Judge. Enjoy your holiday.
Thank
You
you,
as
Your Honor.
well. Thank you.
Granville, we'll see you on the first floor.
Okay.
What's the gentleman's name out in the hallway? Griffin?
Griffin, Mr. Alex Bernard Griffin. He's
Okay.
under 835.
This is the city of Detroit versus Denise Michelle Lucas, case number SP 1416431, SP 190165551. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please this court, Your Honor, Attorney Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your full, complete name for the record at this time.
Denise Michelle Lucas.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial, but the other matter is a no insurance misdemeanor that's not on the docket. Mr. Warbling, that should be in warrant status. Purposes of arraignment, please.
But we will stand mute, wait for a reading, Your Honor, for those purposes.
A not guilty plea on your client's behalf will give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lucas does have a valid driver's license, Mr. Warbling. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Lucas. Ms. Lucas, Mr. Warbling is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
And once again, Judge, all we have is that license improper ticket that's set for
License improper,
835.
no insurance misdemeanor.
Oh, okay, as well.
And she does have a valid license.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Your Honor.
Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Graves. Mr. Graves, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and registration. We seek dismissal.
Mr. Graves, I'm going to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
All right, thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Have a better one. It's the city of Detroit. Is this him out in the hallway? Is this Alex Griffin?
Yes, it is.
Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Alex Bernard Griffin, case number SP 1903740, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elvis Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Griffin.
Alex B. Griffin, Alex Bernard Griffin.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to put you in the breakout room, have a conversation with them, let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Join the room. Mr. Berry, he's in there. It's past the matter. George Moore.
Yes, Corporal George Moore, Detroit Police Department.
Corporal Moore, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
You're welcome. I think Harris is supposed to be in here. Ms. Harris. Yes. She's got Robert Lee Lewis.
Oh, that's her plan.
Yes. Now let's go back on the record with Ms. Denise Lucas. Ms. Lucas, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, she has presented valid documentation with respect to both matters. There would be a recommendation to dismiss, and we would stipulate to probable cause.
Okay, I'm going to dismiss the cases, ma'am, for providing valid documentation. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of the day.
You as well. Thank you. I appreciate it, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. It's the city of Detroit versus Artist Goldsmith, case number SP 1661137, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Could you please state your full and complete name for the record at this time?
You have to press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Goldsmith. Artist Goldsmith, press *6 to unmute yourself, please. Thank you. State your name for the record, sir.
Artist Goldsmith Jr.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant purposes of arraignment, counsel.
Judge, we will stand you away from a reading at this time, Your Honor.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Goldsmith, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Warbling. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right. He's in the room. Let's pass the matter.
Thank you, Judge.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Griffin, Alex Bernard Griffin. Mr. Berry, I've given Mr. Griffin, I've given you an opportunity to speak. To counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial and the appointment of counsel. His number is in the chat.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Griffin? Did we lose him?
No, he's here. He's just muted.
Press *6 to unmute yourself, sir. You can actually come on in the courtroom. Hang the phone up, sir. Mr. Griffin, good morning to you again. Is that what you want, an appointed attorney? Step on up.
Yeah, I'm gonna go trial.
Okay, I'm gonna appoint you an attorney, sir. So I'm gonna set a pretrial date for July the 21st at 8:30. You don't have to come in person, but you're more than welcome to. You can come on Zoom. That date is set so that attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by that date, on that date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. All I ask is you answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, on the insurance matter.
Let's not talk about the matter. We're going to talk about that when you get the attorney, and the attorney will work those things out for you. And if we have to have a trial, I have to have both sides here before I hear anything, okay?
Okay, I had the insurance, but they had the paperwork.
Those things are gonna probably work itself out. You just make sure you bring the copy of the insurance and things like that. Yeah, just answer the calls. It'll work itself out, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, you want some paperwork, Mr. Griffin?
I'll bring it to you. Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day, sir. Best of luck to you. You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Alexis Gondor, case number SP 19086491. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gondor.
Alexis Gondor.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, this is the type of case, ma'am. You can't do any worse. You can only do better, or it will stay the same. Your offer is just pleading as charged. $240 is the fine, and we'll dismiss the case upon payment. I can set you a trial date to see if you can do better. You can you speak to Mr. Berry. You let us know what you want to do, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Golden, I see that you're here. You have your hand raised. Good morning.
Yes, sir. I just wanted to make sure I'm on the record. I didn't state my name earlier, so I didn't know if I was on the docket. I'm sorry.
Are on the docket. I'm just taking it in the order that people came in. Ms.
Yes,
Lewis,
sir.
I see that you, I saw your note, Ms. Lewis. I do accept your apologies, but I don't accept the fact that you're not coming in prepared, okay? That's all I ask, is that you come in prepared. All right, we're just waiting on an attorney. Did we get the interpreter?
I did request an interpreter and I sent the message for Chair Harrison.
Very good. Miss Melanie Leonard. Miss Melanie Leonard.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, ma'am. You need to
Good
put
morning.
more on yourself, please.
I have a, I'm sorry. I have a tank top on. I apologize, but I'll pull it up.
I see what you have on.
I'm sorry.
Miss Leonard,
I
did you
got
ever
you.
get an attorney? Did you ever get an attorney call you?
Yes, I did. He actually even texted me this morning, like before court. I was actually on at 8:45 and I didn't realize we didn't start until 9. And I haven't heard any.
Miss Leonard, who was your attorney?
Let me look at his name. I'm sorry. I to save his card. Harry Boffman.
Boffman. Okay, very well. You can go ahead and get yourself together, ma'am.
Okay.
And we'll wait on Mr. Boffman.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gondor. Ms. Gondor, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
All right, that's what you want to do, Ms. Gondor?
Yes, Your Honor.
Trial, Ms. Mathis?
Trial date.
Please, I need that.
Right here.
Okay, very good, thank you. The 27th of July, Ms. Gondor, at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You as well.
Thank you so much. All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Erica Denise Lee. Case number is SP 191405331, SP 1914078, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lee.
Erica D. Lee.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. Ms. Lee, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. We'll pass the matter. On the telephone at 313-384-8957. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Good morning, Taiwan Green.
Taiwan Green. Good morning to you, Mr. Green.
Good morning.
Officer Davis, good morning to you.
Oh, okay.
Good morning, Your
I don't see you on the docket. Who's your defendant?
They said the defendant was Robert Lee Lewis.
Robert Lee Lewis, very well. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room 1. Make sure you turn your camera on when we call the case, all right?
Yes, sir.
Are we ready on Goldsmith?
We are, Judge. Thank you.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Artis Goldsmith. Mr. Goldsmith, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, we would like to set this for a bench trial, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Goldsmith?
Yes, sir.
All right, come back on July the 27th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. This is the City of Detroit versus James Earl Gardner. Case number SP 1912717, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your full and complete name for the record at this time.
Unmute yourself, Mr. Gardner. Good morning to you.
James Earl Gardner.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Warbling. He's gonna try to work it out for you. He may get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
We'll pass the matter. Marcus Geiger. Marcus
Yes, sir.
Geiger. Good morning to
Yes,
you,
sir.
sir. Do you have an attorney?
Excuse me.
Did you have an attorney appointed to you?
Oh, he sent me a text message this morning. I'm not, hold on. I don't know his name.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lee. Hold on, Ms.
Harry
Lee.
R. Boffman.
Boffman. All right. Ms. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel. I'm placing her number in the chat.
Very good. That's what you want to do, Ms. Lee?
Apologize about that, Your Honor. Yes.
Ms. Lee, I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, that pretrial date is gonna be July 21st, 2026 at 8:30. As soon as I get that telephone number, you'll be free to leave, okay?
Okay.
All right. The last four are 6991.
All right.
All right, to answer the calls you don't recognize. If there's nothing further, Ms. Lee, I'll see you back on July 21st, 2026 at 8:30. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Clyde Jawan Lark, case number SP 189-89501. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Esberry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lark.
Clyde Jawan Lark.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time it is set for today is the date and time it is set for an arraignment. Strike that on the pretrial. Mr. Berry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
Join the room. We'll pass the matter. What about Lloyd Golden? We don't have his file.
Lloyd Golden. I have a file for Lloyd Golden. You check.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gardner. Mr. Gardner, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a limited access, 1 to 5.
That is correct, Judge. Let me Reconfirm that. Yes, it is.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes.
Find your client responsible as for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5, $125. Mr. Gardner, when can you pay it?
I had to be a while because I'm on disability and I'm on dialysis.
I'll give you 30 days to pay it, or either get into a payment plan. $125 by July the 30th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. Or come on down to the courthouse and get into a payment plan. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
All right.
You're welcome.
Take care, Mr. Gardner.
Okay, thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Evan Bryant Greer. Case number SP 179-42501 V120. Wait a minute. Mr. Greer, good morning to you. Did you ever get an attorney appointed to you?
No.
All right, let's pass this matter. Miss Mathis,
Yes.
can you get him an attorney up on the spot right now, please?
Judge,
Which one did we go back on the record on with the last case before Greer just now?
When we went last was Mr. Gardner, 1 to 5 over limited access, paying it at 7:30.
Got it. Thank you.
July the 30th. All right, Mr. Lloyd Golden, did you have an appointed attorney, sir?
Yes, sir. I just texted her and she said something about she's in a different
that?
room or something. I'm not sure.
Who was the appointed attorney?
I don't remember her name, sir. I know it was a female. She just called yesterday and told me, and she
Okay.
didn't state her
Okay.
name. I forgot.
All right.
Thank you.
Am I able to get another attorney? Because I have work at 10 o'clock, sir. Or no?
Oh,
Okay.
Yesterday. You said you need an appointed attorney, Judge?
I need an appointed attorney for Greer. He never got contacted. I need see Nathaniel Luckett. Mr. Luckett, did you have an attorney appointed to you?
Yes, I did, sir.
And who was that attorney?
I don't recall his name, but it's the guy with the dreads.
No, it wasn't. Not Mr. Berry was not your appointed attorney.
You need me to do something for Evan Greer? Evan Greer needs an attorney.
Evan Greer needs an attorney. He's got the dog cases, right?
Okay.
We've already put it in and no one's contacted him. Dominique Lewis.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Did you have an appointed attorney?
Yes, it's Mr. Harry Boffman.
All right, Mr. Boffman is here. It's going to be Geiger first, Mr. Boffman, Leonard, Lewis. I'll put him in the breakout room.
Please and thank you, Your Honor. I also have Nathaniel Luckett.
Nathaniel Luckett is here.
And Gutierrez.
Gutierrez. So it's Geiger.
Yeah. Oh.
They're going to be in the order that they came in. You can try to get them. I try to get them out in that order, but.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Don't have
Sorry to be
Golden.
late.
You don't have Golden?
That sounds familiar. Let me,
Do you
yes.
have Greer?
I don't know how I got so many cases on today, but,
All right. Leonard,
I don't think I have Greer, but the Golden sounds familiar. I'll check my files.
Geiger, Luckett.
And do he have Greer too?
He doesn't have Greer.
Don't have Greer.
And Lewis,
And Lewis too.
Dominic Lewis.
Dominic Lewis, even that's not.
Judge, I'm checking in on Green. I'm losing power too, so.
Excuse me, sir. They said, I just got the text from the attorney saying my attorney is Reese Carpenter.
All right.
And that's, who's that?
Patience
May I
is
be
being
co-host?
patience is being tested today.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Leanne Lee. Leanne Lee. She's gone. Madam Interpreter, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Gloria Guerra Vigen.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
1 second, Your Honor. I'm driving. I'm gonna park at this moment. I'm sorry.
All right, all right. No
I
driving
apologize.
before, please.
Agreed. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate it.
All right, do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communications so God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
Very well. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with the attorney and the client.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jonathan Gojai, case number SP 164-64993. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jonathan Guyonai.
Good morning to you. Mr. Warbling.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Warbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, today is the date and time it is set for a arraignment on the bench warrant for purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
Judge, we will stand mute and wait formal reading at this time.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gojai, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Warbling. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Join the room. We'll pass the matter. All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Stephen Durrell Green, case number SP 186-29431, SP 188-69871. Appearance for the record, please. All right.
Stephen Green.
I must have fell off. I don't think this is the right file, is it? What's your date of birth, Mr. Green?
March 3rd, 1988.
This is the wrong file, Miss Memphis.
For the Dorian.
Yeah, it's Stephen Durrell Green. All right, let's call, let's see. All right, Mr. Blake, can you put your appearance on the record for Stephen Darrell Green?
Good morning, Your Honor. Wright Blake appearing on behalf of Stephen Green, P37259.
All right, today is the date and time. It is set for a pretrial. What does your client want to do?
He has two cases there, right, Judge?
There's two cases. Only one is on the docket, but we're going to consolidate both of them. Two cases.
Okay, could you give us another pretrial on that so I can talk to the city attorney?
Pretrial July 21st, 2026 at 8:30.
Okay, that's perfect, Judge.
Have a great day.
Have a wonderful holiday, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lark. Mr. Lark, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We'd ask the court to confirm that Mr. Lark has a valid license.
He does not.
We need to return to the court, the breakout room, Your Honor.
Very well. Surrendered out of state. So he must have a different license in a different state or something. But he does not have a license as counsel here. All right, return back to the breakout room, Mr. Lark. Speak with Mr. Barry.
Yes, sir.
It should be able to go down and hit the more button. It should be open to you still. It should always be open to you. Run Shannon Lord's license. All right, we're just waiting on an attorney. You find any lawyer for Greer? Very good. Let's go back on the record, Mr. Gorjai. Mr. Gorjai, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. My understanding, you want an appointed attorney?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
I'm gonna ask you, sir, to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date of July 21st, 2026 at 8:30, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, you too.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Shannon Annette Lord, case number SP 189-4872, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 189-4953, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Please state your full and complete name for the record at this time.
Shannon Annette Lord.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer E. Williams is here. I tried to pull him out the breakout room, and Ms. Lord does have a valid license. Ms. Lord, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Warbling. He's going to attempt to get you off an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Officer Williams, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please? Officer E. Williams.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. Good morning. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
It's going to be Officer Elijah Williams, badge 4798, and department is going to be Detroit Police Department.
All right, very good. I'm going to put you, Miss Lord, join the room and see if we can work this out. Mr. Moore, we can work it out for you. Pass the matter.
Okay.
Mr. Golden, you can go to work. You're just going to have to come back and zoom in when you get there. We have to wait on that attorney.
Okay,
Sir, was
yes,
there
sir.
supposed-
I'm about to start getting ready now, then get out of here. Thank you, sir.
Right.
I'm gonna stay on here until the attorney comes.
Very good.
Yes,
All
sir.
right.
Was there supposed to be a prompt for me to join a room, sir?
You can go back in room 1 and wait on the city. I don't know if they'll come talk to you or not.
Okay, I'll go back to room 1. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Are we ready on Guzman, Ms. Paris?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you worked it out?
We are going to need an adjournment. Today was my first time speaking to him, so nothing's happened in this case yet.
City of Detroit versus Ricardo Diego Guzman, case number SP 190-14301. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la Fiscalía de la Ciudad de Detroit en contra del señor Ricardo Diego Guzmán con el número de boleta de infracción SP1-901-4301. Comparecencias para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor. City of Paris, P88615. Here on behalf of Mr. Guzman. Mr. Guzman, please say your full name.
Buenos días, su señoría. Se presenta Cinia Pérez representando a su cliente, el señor Guzmán. Por favor, señor Guzmán, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Me llamo Ricardo Diego Guzmán.
My name is Ricardo Diego Guzmán.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. It's my understanding you need another pre-trial.
Buenos días, señor. Mi entendimiento es que hoy es el día y la hora que se ha fijado para la consulta previa al juicio, pero comprendo que están pidiendo una nueva fecha para una consulta previa.
Sí.
Yes.
All right, I'm going to give you a pre-trial of July the 21st, 2026 at 8:30.
Excuse me, Judge. Mr. Golden, remove your hat, please.
Sorry.
Entonces, señor, su cita para la consulta previa al juicio será el día 21 de julio del 2026 a las 8:30 de la mañana.
Okay.
And Your Honor, that was July 21st at 8:30, correct?
Su señoría, usted ha dicho julio 21 a las 8:30 de la mañana, ¿es correcto?
Yes, so it's July 21st at 8:30. If there's nothing further, everybody have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you all.
Sí, es correcto, julio 21 del 2026, 8:30 de la mañana. Y si eso es todo, le deseo a todo el mundo que tengan un buen día.
Gracias.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Be safe. Mr. Berry, see if you can help Mr. Golden on this case. I don't know what happened to his appointed attorney. I don't know. I don't know who he is, and he doesn't know who he is. I don't understand why people don't. You don't get your attorney's name. I don't understand that.
It's Mr. Lark. I have Mr. Lark is ready, Your Honor.
Oh, you have Mr. Lark. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lark. Mr. Lark, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel.
No. No, he said no. It's a no.
I don't know what he means.
It's a no-ops ticket, Mr. Berry.
Yes, it is.
I thought we were getting a fine.
That's what we're doing.
Oh, okay.
You said what?
Oh, I just misunderstood what he was saying.
What did you think?
We was going to trial about it.
Yeah, we can, he doesn't want an appointed attorney. He doesn't have to have an appointed attorney for this. But if he wants one, I'll give him one.
He wants one, he needs one, Your Honor.
Okay, well, he says no. I don't know what's going on.
I didn't understand the sound. I got kids in the background. Get back in the room. Give me 1 second.
Oh, listen, stop talking while you're on the record.
I'm sorry about that.
Mr. Berry, what number do you have for him?
Oh, I don't have a number, Your Honor. I apologize.
Give me a good phone number, Mr. Lark, for this attorney to contact you.
313-457-7692.
313-457-7692. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
You may interrupt you, Your Honor. I do represent Mr. Evan Greer. I've asked him to join the breakout room.
Okay. Mr. Greer, join the room. Mr. Boffman is your attorney. City of Detroit versus Lloyd Brown Golden, case number SP 188-98811. And Mr. Berry, there are some other cases, SP 189-09911, SP 191-6725, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Golden.
Lloyd Brown Golden, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for the trial on the narcotics violation, Mr. Berry. The other matters, if you have your ink pen ready.
Ready, Your Honor.
It's a no plate civil infraction, no insurance misdemeanor, and drove while license suspended. Mr. Golden, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir. I think that's two different matters, though. One, I got pulled over, I was a passenger, and one, I was the driver. So it's two different matters. I got that court on the 8th, I think.
Alright, so like, no, behind Robert. I pulled the file though, Judge, it's right here.
Mr. Boffman,
Yes, Your Honor.
is Mr. Golden your client, Lloyd Golden?
I believe so, but you know, I'm looking back on the schedule. I don't have his name at all in my schedule at all. The name does sound familiar, Your Honor, and I'm ready.
All right, we're on, put your appearance on the record for Mr. Golden then.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman, P55052 on behalf of Mr. Golden.
All right, Mr. Golden, we're gonna treat it like a one-stop shop. He's got the narcotics drug violation. He's got a no plates ticket that we called into the record, and he's got a no insurance misdemeanor and drug license suspended. Give him a global offer, or he doesn't have to keep the same court date if he wants to go and come back. But if he wants to just settle the narcotics drug violation and the plates, then he can do that today. If he wants to come back on the other matters, he can do that. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Mr. Golden, with Mr. Boffman, and have a conversation with him. Pass the matter.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry, this is going to be the city of Detroit versus LaShonda May Gill Boyd. Case numbers SP11905231, SP1356541, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1356541, SP1398527, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP139853001, SP719154, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP936995, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP967838, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP978329, counts 1, 2, and 3. U 56703320, 17382409, 18514730, counts 1 and counts 2. 2173619, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gill Boyd.
Where's Miss Gill Boyd? Press *6 to unmute yourself, please. Miss LaShonda Gill Boyd, press *6 to unmute yourself.
Yes. Yes,
Good morning to you.
LaShonda Gill Boyd, I'm here. Yes.
All right.
LaShonda Gill Boyd, I'm here. Yes, thank you.
Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gill Boyd, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
She's in there, Mr. Berry. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Shannon Lord. Ms. Lord, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Judge, she has presented compliance documents. I've made prosecution aware of that. So there would be a request for a dismissal for those reasons. She's removed the tent. She has all the other necessary documents.
Ms. Lord, I'm going to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. You as
Thank you,
well.
Your Honor.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Harold Lewis, case number SP 1899708, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please this court, Your Honor, Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your full and complete name for the record at this time. Mr. Lewis. I'm going to send you a prompt to unmute.
Press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Lewis, or he's on. He's on. Very good.
Mr. Lewis, could you state your full and complete name at this time?
Harold Anthony Lewis.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Nelson was here. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Baughman. He's going to see if he can work it out for you. If you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for the trial. Join the room. Turn your background noise off, please. Television or whatever you have on, turn it off or mute it, please.
Can you make me co-host, please? And thank you.
I thought Baughman said he was the attorney. That's what he said, but I don't care.
I mean, if he is, that's fine.
I don't know.
Here I am.
Are you said you're here on Evan Greer?
Yeah, I did have it on my schedule. I have Greer here, but if somebody else is here, I could use some help.
That's fine.
No, well, I don't know if,
I have Greer on my schedule, yes.
okay.
Okay. Let me call him.
Your Honor, may I inquire as to some officers
Everybody,
for Golden?
Gutierrez showed.
Okay.
Okay, we can get, Melanie Leonard out of here, it looks like. I don't see an Officer Schwartz.
All right.
Is Melanie Leonard? Let me see if I can pull her out.
She's waiting for the prompt. So we did get officers on Luckett.
Officers here, Luckett, I don't see either.
Al-Zayedi or Cavalos?
I don't see. For who?
For Nathaniel Luckett.
Yeah, you said Officer Al-Zayedi. I don't see an Al-Zayedi. City of Detroit versus Melanie Leonard, case number, well, she's got 2 cases, but one is only on the docket. I don't know what happened to the other one. That's 26961-871, and then SP 100607771. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant. Ma'am, give us your full complete name.
Melanie Leonard.
Oh, Ms. Leonard, good morning to you. One of the officers, Mr. Officer Moore, is here. He did appear. So both of them are on the docket. The no ops is on the docket. Officer Moore did appear. He's not here now. The other officer, Al-Zayedi, did not appear.
So we will plead to failure to display, Your Honor, and ask for a dismissal on the furnishing alcohol.
Let's run her license, please. License is valid. I'm going to dismiss both cases, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
I'll waive the warrant fee. Miss Leonard, you're going to have a $45 reinstatement fee you need to pay, okay?
Okay, can I just ask one question? So that came up for the license, that was really old, right? Because
Yes.
I thought that I dealt with that because the way I got my license was through that Road to Restoration Clinic. And I
No, no.
remember the 36th district being on site and they had to lift that in order for me to even get my license.
Understood, ma'am. The reinstatement fee comes, it's automatic when you miss a court date, and that along with the warrant fee.
Okay.
The warrant fee I can waive, $45 reinstatement fee I cannot waive.
Okay.
As of this October 31st, 2021, the city secretary of state is not suspending licenses for reinstatement fees except for the no insurance proof civil infraction. If there's a reinstatement fee on that, they will, and a very few other limited things. So that's why the $45 is there. I don't have any discretion to waive the $45 fee. And that fee is there, even though it's not affecting your license, okay?
Thank you so much.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, Ms. Leonard.
You as well. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you again, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. Who's on for, who are you here for, Mr. Carpenter?
Lloyd Golden and Sophia Godoy.
All right, Blake Golden is here. Mr. Barry, you spoke with them already, right?
Lloyd Golden, Your Honor.
Lloyd Golden, yeah, right. Lloyd Golden is here. Mr. Barry just got through speaking with them. We're gonna put you in the breakout room.
Your Honor, that was Mr. Boffman who spoke.
That was me, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. It's just I don't know what's going on today.
Right.
Godoy is here. Join the room, speak with Golden. And then I'm gonna put Godoy. I'm gonna put Godoy in breakout room 15.
Did Officer Sterner check in?
Yes, Officer Sterner checked in, but I don't see an Officer Mackey for Godoy. He has some other cases. The other cases would be where's Lloyd's file? He has some newer cases, and the newer cases are no plates, no insurance, that's a civil infraction, no insurance misdemeanor, and driving while license suspended.
Okay.
Now, you can get him a global offer, or he can come back on the driving while license suspended and no insurance misdemeanor. I don't see the officer for the other case. Godoy, there is a witness here. I don't know if that witness is for Godoy or against. So the other witnesses here, I'll put Godoy in 15.
And
so
then,
go to 11 first and then go to 15.
one more thing is Officer Sarkisian, did he check in?
Who is that?
Sarkisian.
Sarkisian? I don't know. You're gonna have to speak with the city. I don't think I have an Officer Sarkisian. Who is that for?
That's for Lloyd Golden.
I haven't seen an Officer Sarkisian. Mr. Barry, who are we ready on? You have to unmute yourself, Mr. Barry. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gil Boyd.
Yes.
Ms. Gil, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want, Ms. Gil Boyd? Ms. Gil Boyd,
Yes, I'm here.
is that what you want a trial date?
Yes.
Let me get mine.
Listen, you have to turn the background noise off.
Okay, sorry about that.
All right, you owe some civil infractions. One of them
Yes,
is a no insurance proof, $288. If you paid that no insurance proof, you can potentially set yourself up to get a valid license, $288. That you're gonna have to owe the other civil infractions as well. But if you pay this no insurance proof, you can potentially set yourself up to get a valid license. Pay that and go down to the Secretary of State after you pay that and ask them for a license. If they don't give you a license, then they should give you a printout of everything that's affecting your license. I'm gonna give you a trial date of July 27th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
thank you. Have a great day.
You're welcome. Gary Lightfoot.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, how can we help you? What is your date of birth?
My date of birth is February 17th, 1999.
All right, you're just a walk-in then.
Yeah, I have in a program of Chance for Life. My caseworker is Mr. James Wallace. He told me I should come on to your Zoom court and talk about my tickets I owe. I do owe a lot of tickets, and
Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Okay.
Detroit. This is a walk-in. We're just gonna arraign them and get them another court date. City of Detroit versus Gary Michael Lightfoot III. Case numbers SP 123-24451, SP 123-8205, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 126-7158, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 129-9818, 2. SP 133-56401. SP 134-2606, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 166-99111. SP 172-0734, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 173-51641. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lightfoot.
Gary Michael Lightfoot III.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time. We'll call it set for arraignment on the warrants. Counselor, for purpose of arraignment.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. We're gonna have to get the files together, sir. Come back on July the 21st, 2026 at 9 a.m. Okay?
Yes, sir. I had Mr. Berry as an attorney 2 years ago for no insurance, and I didn't have a car at that point in time to get renewed insurance. So I was just putting it in the air. I had Mr. Berry a couple years ago.
He did a good job for you, I'm assuming, right?
No, I didn't go through with the case because I didn't have a car to come before the court.
You just absconded then.
I just ain't had I didn't have the proper stuff.
You just capious. Don't capious anymore. I'll put a cash bond on you, and we can make sure that you get here next time.
No. You won't have to do that. No, sir. I'm just coming. I'm coming to get things together.
All right, you're changing your life up, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, we're gonna see. The proof is always in the pudding, sir.
Yes, sir. You
Actions,
most definitely.
actions speak definitely louder than words, and I wish you the best of luck on it. And
Yes.
if you're serious about it, we'll do the best we can to help you get on the road legally. All right.
Yes, sir. I'm very serious. Yes, sir. So I'm here.
Very well. I'll come back on the 21st at 8:30.
Yes, sir.
Have a good day.
You too.
This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Jamaica Lewis. Case number SP 1449171, SP 1447998, counts 1, SP 1447998 SP 1882320, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1898056, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 189807661. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lewis.
Jamaica Lewis.
Are you driving, man?
I'm not driving.
Turn your background off.
In the car. I'm on my way
Turn your
to work.
Turn your background off.
Hold on a second. I gotta on this thing.
I don't know, man.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Berry, Mr. Officer Stepowski appeared. Officer Harvin appeared. Let me bring them out. Officer Bush appeared. I have not seen Officer Blessing. Ms. Lewis, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Ready on Lloyd Golden.
Let's go back on the record. Let's call the city of Detroit. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lloyd Brown Golden. Did you put your appearance on the record for Mr. Golden?
Not yet, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Breeze Carpenter, P number 88895 on behalf of Lloyd Golden. Could you please state your full name for the record?
My name is Lloyd Brown Golden, Your Honor.
All right, today is the date and time is set for a trial on the one matter, and we'll call it an arraignment. For purposes of arraignment on the other matters, Mr. Carpenter?
Your Honor, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. What's gonna happen? How, have you worked it all out or what?
Your Honor, we are going to schedule that matter for a bench trial.
Well, the one matter is scheduled for trial, the narcotics matter.
Yes. For that matter, Your Honor, we are moving for dismissal as it is my understanding that Officer Sarkisian and Officer Mackey have both failed to make an appearance for today.
All right. I'll grant that motion to dismiss, no officer. And the other matters?
Your Honor, we are going to be asking for a bench trial for that.
Trial date is going to be July the 27th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day, Mr. Golden. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
You have a better one. Anybody else, Mr. Carpenter, that you have? Good.
I'm still speaking with Sophia Godoy right now.
Mr. Baughman, you said you were ready on someone? What about Mr. Lewis?
Judge, I reached out to Attorney Horn on that one. There's no offer at this time, so I'm in a holding pattern on that one.
Darrell Green, or is that Darnell Green? I'm sorry. I think that's why I didn't get it. Can we get Ms. Horn in here, please?
Can you test my someone, please?
All right, let's call Leanne Lee. There you are. I called your name earlier. Leanna Lee. iPhone, good morning to you. What is your name, please? Unmute yourself, start your camera.
Harold Lewis. I got kicked out the room by mistake. I was in the other room with the attorney and he told me he'd be back and I got kicked out.
You answer the phone, it'll automatically kick you out. I'll put you back in the breakout room.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Do you want to work on someone else while?
Yeah, that might be best. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right. Let's
Hello?
hold on a second now.
I'm sorry, I can't. I'm trying to figure out how to turn my phone up. Okay. Hello?
Excuse. Hold on a second, please. Did you get Taiwan green?
6 months?
This is the real green.
I need Taiwan green.
Taiwan green.
City of Detroit license, please. City of Detroit versus Taiwan green. Case number SP 1915689, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
And good morning, Your Honor. Ben Warbling, P64-889, on behalf of the defendant. Could you please state your name for the record at this time?
Taiwan Green, state your name for the record, please.
Taiwan Green.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time, and it's set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
We're going to stand mute and wait for a reading at this time, Your Honor.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. He has a seatbelt ticket that goes along with this, Mr. Berry. I'm going to put you, Mr. Green, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Warbling. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offers, you have an absolute right to a trial. Mr. Warbling, I'm going to put Mr. Green in breakout room 7.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pass the matter.
Thank you.
Can we call Ms. Horn?
Do it again.
Someone else asked to speak with me?
Oh, yes, she did. She's still on her way, Judge. Yes, Your Honor.
Who's that? All right, you have to, you're in line. Good morning to you.
Good morning. I just heard you had said my name earlier, and I didn't hear anything else about it.
What happened to Leanna Lee? It's the City of Detroit versus Leanna Ray Lee, case number SP 126-93942, SP 124-8881, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. State your name for the record, please.
Leanna Lee.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time is set for a review. You have her file? You were supposed to complete community service. Have you done any hours?
So I have done some hours, but I just got all set up because I had to call down there because no one had never contacted me, and she had sent a letter to my old address, the address that I had when I caught the tickets. So I just got the new form and I started it this week.
All right, I'm gonna have you back next month. Is this Glendale address still good for you?
No, so that's my old address.
All right. You can put in the chat your new address.
Okay.
I'll have you back next month and see what kind of progress you've made.
Okay, on what day?
July the 30th, 2026 at 8:25.
Thank you so much.
All right, I didn't get your address yet.
Okay. Did you get it?
Yes. All right, have a great day, Miss Lee. Best of luck to you.
Thank you so much. See you next
You're
month.
welcome.
Bye.
Yeah, bye-bye. Mr. Laws, good morning to you. How you doing, sir?
The hardest lesson of all is that you don't need to be active to be profitable.
He can come on in. He doesn't have to be online.
You can come on in, you don't even have to go on.
Hang the phone up, Mr. Laws. Good morning to you. This is the City of Detroit versus Gerald Laws, case number SP 159-66281, SP 164-28741, SP 145-31782, SP 144-93331, SP 108 27063. Mr. Laws, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Gerald Law.
All right, how's it going, Mr. Laws?
Slow.
Slow? Did you make any payments?
Made previous payment.
All right, SP 144-93331. I'm going to dismiss that case. SP 145-31782. I'm going to dismiss that case. SP 159-66281. I'm going to dismiss that case. SP 164-28741. I'm going to dismiss that case. He's got more tickets. Well, all right, what do you want to do? Do you want to set these matters arraignment is this afternoon, so we're going to arraign. You want to get an offer today on these cases?
I understand.
The new cases you got, you want to get an offer?
Yes, sir.
All right, now he's going to have to sign on. So let him speak for the attorney. All right, I dismiss those cases that you had,
Thank you, sir.
that you paid. All right. Put them on and we'll get them with an attorney. Mr. Warbling?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. You want a pretrial date?
Yes, please.
Come back on July the 21st, 2026 at 8:30. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your
Thank
day.
you.
You're
One
welcome.
question, Your Honor. Same courtroom?
Yeah. Same courtroom.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank
You're
you.
welcome. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Warbling case versus Darnell Green, case number SP 1650589 U88694112. Appearance for the record, please.
And good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of Mr. Green. Sir, could you state your full and complete name for the record at this time?
Darnell Green, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Darnell Green, I don't see for some reason him on the docket. Oh, I see. It's today is for purpose of arraignment on the warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Judge, we'll stand mute and wait formal reading at this time, Your Honor.
Not guilty plea in your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Green, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Warbling. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. And this warrant is in for Mr. Warbling. You'll be in 7.
Thank you, Judge.
In the room will pass the matter. Ms. Harris, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. The city attorney wanted to know if Officer Davis checked in, as she had not had a chance to speak with him.
Officer Davis is here.
Okay, thank you.
In room 1. I just called him out, so I don't know if he's gonna come out or not.
Officer Davis, please rejoin room 1. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Are you gonna send the link?
Let's see. I'm gonna move you to 2 real quick. No,
Okay.
I'm gonna move you to 11 and then move you back out
Okay.
to 1.
You can use it.
Let's go back.
That's terrible. Like he ever doing a good thing, you know? Like you froze.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lewis. Ms. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to failure to display for the one of the driving while license suspended charges, and to allow her to plead to allowing for another one of the driving while license suspended charges.
Do you want to take the deal, Ms. Lewis?
Yes, yes.
Raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, now put your hand down. Are you in the driver's seat of that car, ma'am?
I just got off the passenger seat. I just came back out here. I have a driver in my car. I'm at my job, but I
I did not
have
ask you that. I did not ask you that.
I was just over on the other
See, I believe she was driving when she put her
The man
camera.
saw me pull over. I was not
believe-
driving. My driver pulled over.
You know something? You are coming in. I'm tired of you.
I'm
You
at
are coming.
work. I'm at
All right.
work. I was not driving.
I don't care where you are. This is a privilege to be able to join on Zoom.
Yes, I understand. I appreciate that. But
Now,
I had
stop talking until I let you talk. Now, I believe you were driving when you came on and your camera was blurred. I saw you when I called your name. I saw you looking down and looking up as if you were looking at the road. I asked you at that time, were you driving?
No.
You did not answer. You cut your camera off when I told you to turn your camera back on. And we started talking. And now when I see you clearly in the driver's seat of that vehicle, run her license, please. Officer Stepowski, good morning to you. Can you put your name, badge number, department on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Jason Stepowski, badge 3817, Detroit Police Department.
And good morning to you. Officer Havern, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Officer Daniel Havern, badge 573, Detroit Police Department.
And good morning to you. And Officer Bush, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Good morning, Officer Shira Bush, badge number 2602, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning. License is suspended.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to reset the matter. You're coming in person, ma'am. This is the last time I'm dealing with this with you. No, I've given you all your mouth is too smart. When I tried to tell you, come in with a towel on your head, and then to me, half clothed. And when I address you about it, you have something to say about everything. I believe you were driving in my court. And then,
sir.
Yeah, you keep on saying you weren't. And I'm
My
not going to
attorney,
go back and forth.
the attorney was on the phone and he asked me to pull
quiet.
over. He saw that the car had pulled over. I was on the passenger side. I just literally got off the passenger side and came over here because I was getting something out of my purse. The building is right here. My attorney saw me what I was doing. He told me to pull over. I was never driving. My driver is right here. He was driving.
Ma'am, then when I tell you not to speak, you continue to talk. Ms. Dominique Lewis, put more on, please. Clothes on, please.
More clothes? Sure.
You continue to talk now. So you continue to disrespect the court.
Me?
Not you.
Oh.
I'll pass the matter. Mr. Berry, did you have anyone else?
Not anyone else at this time, Your Honor.
Give me a minute. Oh, speak to Mr. Laws. Get Mr. Laws to sign a vice of rights form. Mr. Berry, this is going to be the city of Detroit versus Gerald Laws. He's on the afternoon docket. He walked in. He's on the morning docket for review. We've already discussed that. City of Detroit versus Gerald Laws, case number SP 1922756, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1922770, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Laws.
Gerald Laws.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Laws. Today is the date and time. It is set for, we'll call it arraignment. Mr. Berry on the afternoon docket. I'll if you have the ink pen ready, I'll name it.
Ready, Your Honor.
A driving while license suspended, an unregistered untitled, a no plates, and a no valid registration. Mr. Laws, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. He's in there, Mr. Berry. Let's pass the matter. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a trial date?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Does he need an appointed attorney for this minor in possession of tobacco?
I don't believe so, Judge, given the age.
All right, trial is going to be, is that what you want to do, Mr. Green?
Yes, Your Honor.
Trial is going to be July 27th, 2026 at 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
I have a quick question, Your Honor.
Yes.
We're only dealing with the minor in possession ticket.
We're dealing with minor in possession, and we're dealing with the driving while license suspended.
Yes, sir. And I wouldn't be able to go get my license until I take care of that ticket, right?
No, I didn't say that.
Oh, okay. Okay. My question is, would I be able to go reinstate my license before I take care of that ticket?
I don't see anything here affecting your ability to get a license, sir. Go to the Secretary of State, try to get a license. If they don't give you a license, ask them for a printout. They should give you a printout of everything that's affecting your license, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. He said what?
I was talking to mine, sorry.
Yes, he did. Are you Darnell Dwayne Greer? You have a warrant out for your arrest.
Yes, sir.
In front of Judge Millicent Sherman. You have to go to Millicent Sherman. And if that's going to affect your ability, I don't know. But these tickets in front of me will not expect your ability to get a license.
Yes, sir. I have to go take care of that warrant tomorrow.
All right, very well. I wish you the best of luck. Come back on the 27th of July. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Baughman, are we ready on Geiger?
I am, Your Honor. I don't know what's happened to my video. It's been disabled for some reason.
This is the city of Detroit. Where is Geiger?
I'm here. On the phone.
City of Detroit versus Marcus Geiger, case number 262979291. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. State your name, sir.
Marcus Geiger.
Good morning to you, Mr. Geiger. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Is our Officer Stearns. Officer Stearns. Are All right, I didn't see an Officer Stearns. I don't have one on my list, Mr. Bachman.
I checked with the prosecutor. They agreed that Officer Stearns has not checked in. I move to dismiss without prejudice. The defendant has been advised.
All right, Mr. Geiger, you have a very good rest of your day. Your case is dismissed, and have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
You too, thank you.
All right, what about Evan Greer?
I'm not sure if we're ready on Greer, Your Honor. Is there an officer on that?
Nathaniel Luckett.
Luckett is ready.
Yeah.
Detroit versus Nathaniel Dwayne Luckett, case number SP 188-5892, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name.
Nathaniel Dwayne Luckett.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a trial. Mr. Officer Al-Zayati, I didn't see Mr. Al-Zayati on my list.
I checked with the prosecutor, Your Honor. They agree that there's no complaining witness. I'm moving to dismiss without prejudice. The defendant's been advised.
Case dismissed, Mr. Luckett. I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you. Happy holidays.
You as well. Thank you.
Brother.
This is the city of Detroit versus Dominique Sade Lewis. Case number SP 188-5857, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 188-638-41. Excuse me. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, ma'am.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Dominique Sade Lewis.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for a trial. Officer Morales. I didn't see on my list. Officer, Mr. Boffman.
Check with the prosecutor. They agree that Officer Morales has not checked in, and I move to dismiss without prejudice. The defendant's been advised.
All right, Miss Lewis, I'm going to dismiss your cases. No officer. You do owe $174 on an old expired plate ticket, ma'am. If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll be back to finish up, Your Honor. Mr. Greer.
Officer Penn is here for Gutierrez. Both the officers, Dothard, Penn, and Corporal Hill all appear for Gutierrez.
Understood, Your Honor.
All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gerald Laws. Mr. Laws, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor, for these matters.
All right, I'll give you a trial date for July the 27th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
I can't hear you, sir.
If it's not you, Miss Lewis.
Okay, sir.
Laws, are you there, Mr. Laws?
Yes, what was your court date?
Trial July 27th at 9 a.m.
Okay.
All right, nothing further, Mr. Laws. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you, sir. Bye.
All right.
Yes, can you hear me? I can hear you.
I can't
Can y'all hear me?
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lewis. Mr. Berry, you said it's a failure to display and a allowing.
Correct, Your Honor.
And the other matters dismissed, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you want to take this deal, ma'am? Do you want to take this deal, Miss Lewis?
Yes, sir.
Did I already swear her in, Mr. Berry? Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Swear, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, I'm just trying to take care of this to get my license.
I'm asking you questions. Please do not answer anything but the question.
No.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to April the 14th, 2026, at around 10:04 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Connor and Hearn Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department? Ms. Lewis. This is ridiculous. Pass it. I mean, she's gonna have to come in. I'm tired of this. All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Evan Bryant Greer. Case number SP 179-42501, V120-14420, V120-14520, V120-14620, V120-14720, V120-14820, V120-14920, V120-15020. Appearance for the record, please.
Over S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Greer.
Evan Greer.
Officer Hoskins, are you here, Evan Greer?
I'm having trouble hearing you guys, but yeah, my name is Evan Greer.
Morning to you, sir. Officer Hoskins, are you Evan Greer?
Yes, I am. Investigator Hoskins, badge number 44, City of Detroit Animal Control.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. My understanding, you want a trial date, Mr. Greer? Oh,
yeah, I was just...
Is that you? Did you put your appearance on the record, Mr. Baughman?
No.
It's one of those days. Appearance for the record, Mr. Baughman, please.
Harry Baughman, P55052 for the defendant.
All right, today is date and time set for a pretrial. Your client wants a trial date?
Yes, Your Honor. He's continuing not guilty plea. We ask for a bench trial date, please.
All right, trial date is going to be July 27th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Mr. Greer, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you, Mr. Officer Hoskins. Be safe. What about
Can you repeat the date, please? I'm sorry.
July the 27th.
27.
27.
Got it.
27. Mr. Warbling, you have Mr. Lewis in the breakout room?
I still do, Judge. Was Attorney Horn available to,
Ms. Horn is here in the room now.
okay,
Can you go to 4?
yes, I
Ms.
can.
Horn?
Thank you.
Last time, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lewis.
I'm sorry about that, my had dropped out.
Let me draw your attention back to May 14th, 2026, around 10:04 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Connor and Hearn Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Was this your 2013 Dodge that you were alleged to be driving that day?
It's my kid's grandmother. She is the older lady. Someone has sold the vehicle. We was taking.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry, yes.
I just can't believe how much you talk.
I'm sorry.
I asked you earlier, just answer the questions that I asked you.
No.
I need some more information about the vehicle, then I'll ask you that information.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Were you operating that motor vehicle on that day?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
I've been trying to get my license. I paid a few tickets and I'm in the middle of paying more tickets. I had to get a printout from the Secretary of State, so I don't have my license. I'm in the
Because you
middle
don't have your license, right?
Yes.
Find her guilty of the amended count of failure to display, amended count of allowing to drive, allowing an unlicensed person to drive the vehicle, that being herself. $240 is the fine. I'll dismiss upon payment. Let me draw your attention. Back to this day before, on April the 14th. Was that the day before or day after? On April the 14th, 2026, at around 1:44 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Gratiot and Gunston, did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You could not do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I don't have a license.
Very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty as to the amended count of failure to display a valid driver's license. $240 is the fine. With Mr. Berry, with stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, 240 and 240. One I'll dismiss upon payment. The other one's gonna be on your record. When can you pay?
I can pay it around the 15th if that's okay. That's when I have money.
Come back on July the 17th. If it's paid, I'll dismiss the one case, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. There are other ways. Those are just the two best ways. Now, I'm not going to say it again. Do not come to my courtroom on July 17th, not prepared. No scarf, no towel on your head. Be properly dressed. You understand me?
Yes.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, Ms. Lewis, and
Thank
officers
What
Officer
time?
Bush,
Can I ask you
Officer
what?
825.
Okay, thank you.
And Officer Havron, have a very good rest of your day. Be safe out there.
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well.
How do I leave? How do I get it?
iPhone, unmute yourself, start your camera, please.
Hey, Christian, how are you? Hello. My bad. I'm sorry. I'm on the phone too.
To you, what is your name, please?
Brianna Gutierrez. I was supposed to be a witness for my wife for one of her cases. That's why I was in the wait trying to get in.
Who's your wife?
Anaja Gutierrez.
All right. Good morning to you.
Good morning to you as well.
Is that Brianna?
Yes, it is.
Mr. Baughman, are you there?
I'm on the phone with the village. I guess it's a crazy day.
How do we have Alante Moore and Curtis Moore's file? He's supposed to be downstairs.
Curtis?
Yeah, Alante Moore. He's came in, but he's supposed to be downstairs.
Because he was scheduled for Wednesday.
Was he?
Well, he's
I thought I saw him on the, I'll look it back up.
Hold on, because I checked it, that's how the week when you printed it, it's not on the schedule, so I ran his name.
I thought he came in and I told him he was in
Like he was going to just judge a record?
yes, I think it was
I don't see no notes.
you don't see any notes? I think it was
I wanna say-
well, when you look it up, it shows you as judge of record.
Oh, okay, it does. Scheduled for review.
Down there though, right? Here?
Yep, you got 12 hours of community service. Well, back in April, he did 12
okay.
hours of community service.
Oh, yeah, yes. I'm sorry. Yes,
Yeah, he got a delayed sentence or something.
yes.
So he just came in early, I guess.
He wanted,
You want to pay us?
no, I think he wanted more time or something. Ms. Harris?
Yeah, could we have a sidebar? Ms. Horn and I wanted to do a sidebar with you, please and thank you.
Mr. Baughman? He's in there speaking to Ms. Horn right now. Mr. Warbling, let's go back on the record with Mr. Harold Anthony Lewis. This is a dismissal, Mr. Baughman?
That's correct, Judge.
Case dismissed, Mr. Lewis. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. You still owe on an old driver license defective mirror, $192, sir. But these cases are dismissed. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Lewis, be well.
You're welcome.
Good morning, Judge. This Corporal Wright. I just wanted to see.
Right.
Good morning. I just wanted to see if I can sign off for Alyssa Lamb. I don't believe she showed.
Yes, she never did appear.
Okay, appreciate it. You have a great day.
You have a better one.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Judge, I don't know if there's anything else that you need me for, maybe. Unless I'm mistaken.
I don't think so.
Okay.
Officer Stearns.
Yes, sir. How you doing?
We dismissed your case.
Oh, shoot, for real? I got two different court times. Okay. All right.
I won't put no officer. That was for
Last name Geiger?
Geiger, yes.
Yes, sir. Well, I apologize for being late.
No issue. Have a good day. You be safe out there.
Thank you, sir. You have a blessed day too.
Thank you. Take that no officer off of Geiger's file. Please. All right, Mr. Warbling, I think that'll be it for today.
Have a great rest of the day, Your Honor, and enjoy. Oh, no, I'll see you Thursday. Sounds good.
All right, I'll see you Thursday.
Take care.
Thank you.
Yep.
Call that Reese Carpenter guy back in here. It should be on the side over there. Ooh. I'll get it.
No, that's not.
It should be on the side over there. We've already done it. Geiger should probably be over there.
I just didn't see it. I'm going back to it. I got it. Thank you. That little wire thing, just we gotta get.
I'll get it.
Okay. Should have like a little lever on there where it won't fall off. Like it should be a piece of little wood right there.
Well, if anybody can get it done, you can.
Right. Is it a chair?
The bedbug chair, I didn't know that was one of them.
Oh, I didn't know that either.
You automatically said it.
Oh, you mean when he said the fabric part? Yeah, because the landlord attendant courtrooms, they deal with it more so than we do. like, the people be in person.
And find out if he completed his community service,
Right
please.
here, okay.
Yes, thank you. That can wait though.
Oh, this is from yesterday, okay. I'll call this yesterday. You had to drive your other car today, Judge?
I started driving my wife's car anyway. But she, that's why I started driving her car, because she's driving that. What is that Reese Carpenter? What is his, do you have his number?
I can pull it up.
Because he's not, I can do it, I can do it. Because he's not signed in on here as the attorney of record.
He did,
I know.
he emailed, said he has some other courtrooms.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Yeah, he sent that to me. Water. Here, I don't have a file for this one, Judge.
To be a lawyer.
This is the city of Detroit versus Robert Lee Lewis IV, case number SP 1859680. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning,
Good
Your
evening.
Honor. Good morning to the staff. May I please this honorable court? Cherika Harris, P 72832, on behalf of Mr. Lewis. Please state your name.
Robert Lee Lewis IV.
And Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor. Officer Davis, would you please state your name and badge number for the record?
Yes, Officer Jerry Davis, badge 563.
Good morning to you. Good morning to you, Mr. Lewis. Good morning to you, Mr. Officer Davis. After a sidebar, I understand that there's been a request for an adjournment. I understand that Officer Davis is on furlough right now, and we should have probably wish we could have got you out here a little bit sooner. But also Ms. Harris needed to again request at least some more discovery or something that relates to discovery. I'm going to set this matter for a pretrial date on July 21st, 2026 at 8:30 a.m.
July 20th, Your Honor.
Strike that. July 20th at 8:30 a.m.
And thank you, Your Honor. And Officer Davis, we won't need you at that point. You'll get a future notice if we go on with trial.
Okay, that sounds good.
Okay,
All right.
Thank you.
Safe out there, Officer Davis. Go ahead, Ms. Harris.
I was just going to ask if it's possible, if on the court's end, we can add this case to ZLS, because it's not indicating my appointment. And that's not something I can add. I think it has to be done by the court. I don't know.
Ms. Mathis.
Okay, make notation and I'll do it.
Thank you.
No, I'll do it right now.
Okay. All right. I can write it down there, Ms. Mathis. All right, Mr. Lewis, we'll get back on the 20th of July. All right.
All
Be
right.
safe. Very good rest of your day. That's Robert Lee Lewis
Robert Lee Lewis.
the fourth. Yes.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
All right. You'll be safe out there, Officer Davis. All right, Ms. Harris. All right. So the other people and your officers and four, I think they're good to go except for Sterner. You can bring Sterner out now. Mr. Boffman, I did have Brianna Gutierrez came in as it related to Miss Gutierrez. So as a witness, I guess, but I obviously didn't get any detail about what she witnessed or anything like that, but it seems like she's since gone.
Yes, Your Honor, we are gonna resolve this.
Okay. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Anaje Alexis Gutierrez, case numbers SP 173917771, SP 1865803, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1904462, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, please, ma'am. Unmute your device.
Anaje Gutierrez.
All right.
Good morning, Your Honor. My client is advised of her rights. She's going to plead here guilty to failure to display a valid driver's license on 2 separate occasions, improper plates on 1 occasion, and blockading, and any balance will be dismissed.
All right. Is that what you want to do, Ms. Gutierrez?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail The misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Baughman went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
No, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, Officer Corporal Hill, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge, number, department for the record, please?
Corporal Hill, badge 4598, City of Detroit, 10th Precinct, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. You said the offer was going to be what, Mr. Baughman?
Failure to display twice, 1 count of improper plates and 1 count of blockading.
All right, Ms. Gutierrez, let me draw your attention back to April the 27th, 2026, around 1:19 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Rowe and Sawyer. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department? You have to unmute
Yes. Sorry.
yourself.
I was on mute. Yes.
All right, and were you operating a motor vehicle on that day?
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce valid driver's license?
Yes.
Was that your Jeep that you were driving on that day?
Yes.
And the officer asked you to produce valid insurance as well?
Yes.
You could not do either, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I just didn't have it on the person at the time.
Very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of failure to display for not having a valid driver's license and an improper plate for not having the valid insurance. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea for the blocking traffic, Mr. Baughman.
So stipulated.
Okay, I'll find her responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175 for the blocking traffic. All right, let me draw your attention, ma'am, back to March the 3rd, 2026, around 7:44 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 7 Mile and Gratiot. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle, ma'am?
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I didn't have it on a person at the time.
Very, very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of failure to display. With stipulation of probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, thank you.
All right. What we'll do, ma'am, is I'll fine you the $240 for the failure to display and the $175 for the blocking traffic. I won't fine you for the other failure to display, and I won't fine you for the improper plate. I'm going to cut you a break on those. I see you owe some other civil infractions. You owe $180 for an improper lane use, $204 for a 16 to 20 over, and $288 for no insurance proof that we're too old for us to address. That 288 is affecting your ability to get clearances here at the 36th District Court, and affect your ability to get a license if you don't already have one. So that 288 is a fee that you probably should pay first. But when can you pay this stuff, ma'am?
Whatever is the most amount I'm not sure how much time you could give me at the max, but whatever the max is would be appreciated.
All
And
right,
I can make it happen by then.
here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you until July the 30th, 2026. As a matter of fact, you don't have to come back because that other matter I didn't fine you for. July the
Okay.
30th, 2026. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, well, then, Ms. Officer Penn, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Good morning to you as well. Officer Penn, badge 5004, Detroit Police.
If it's nothing further, Ms. Gutierrez, you have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you. And Officer Penn, Corporal Hill, you two have a very good rest of your day and be safe out there.
Thank you as well.
Thank you, Judge Perkins. I appreciate you. Have a good day.
You're welcome. Thank you. All right, Mr. Bachman.
Thank you, Mr. Boffman. Your Honor, I was just checking. You said I could relieve Williams also on Lord. Did Shannon Lord appear?
Lord showed up. So that was, I talked to him. They said that was recommended for dismissal for proper documentation. So you can release E. Williams and then talk to Carpenter in 4.
I did. I just didn't want to go in back with the officers without an update. Okay, thank you.
All right, I'm trying to pull Williams out now. All right.
Yes, sir. Sorry about that. I'm actually at 36 District Court right now on another case.
That's okay. Your case has been, we were trying to get you out earlier. Your case has been resolved.
Okay. Did she take a plea?
They dismissed it. She had her documentation.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Be safe.
You too.
Hey, good morning. How are you? I'm like, what I want. Judge wants to hear. Judge wants to hear. Yesterday. Completion of service. See. It is. I think so. I think it's, 6 hours of community services. Name is Michael Milton. Case number. Case number is S-18767766. SP 18767761. Sorry about that. He was like, what? Sorry. Mhm. Okay, so I just didn't want to default him or nothing. We just need to, let's see how we can verify. Okay. Okay, maybe we should call him. You want me to call? You are so funny. All right. Now you come work in the courtroom with Judge Perkins. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, yeah, you might get put out though. Okay, call him for us. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Who was that? Shelton?
Shelton.
She don't wanna come in here, does she?
She don't wanna call Michael Lennon.
Why doesn't she? I guess she's like, that's not her job to call him. Huh?
You know how it goes, Judge. Do they be still, well, I guess they be stealing cars in the neighborhood, Judge?
What they do is they go.
Here, Judge.
I haven't seen one.
Complain about the squirrels in her county.
Are we ready on Godoy?
I am, Your Honor.
Where is Sophia Godoy?
I sent her the prompt.
I'm
She's
right here, Your Honor.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Sophia Maria Godoy. Case number SP 187-15521. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895 on behalf of Sophia Godoy. Could you please state your full name for the record?
Sophia Godoy.
Okay, good morning to you and the witness. You can state your name for the record as well, Mr. Aman Ali.
Yeah, I'm on the folly.
All right. Today is the date and time is set for a trial. Did you come to a resolution?
We didn't, Your Honor. We are prepared to proceed with the bench trial.
It is 12 o'clock. It is 12 o'clock. I've been here since 8:15 this morning. And now we're asking for a trial now?
And with a witness that was not named prior to trial. So I object to the testimony that should have been on a witness list at least 30 days ago.
Your appearance.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303. I am also bringing Sergeant Sterner out of the breakout room.
Your Honor, I will state too, I did let Ms. Horn know the last time that I was preparing to bring Mr. Ahmad as a witness for trial. The trial then was adjourned for 15 days afterwards.
And was that sent to me in writing?
I discussed it with you in the breakout room.
Unfortunately, by it not being memorialized, I don't remember. I handle 100 cases a day in 2 different courtrooms.
All right, are we ready to go?
I need a quick 5-minute.
All right. We'll pass the matter.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Everybody had to cover their chimneys with chicken wire. Yeah.
All right, Mr. Carpenter, is there anything else that I need to know before we start? Are you prepared to go?
I am prepared, Your Honor.
Judge, you weren't addressing me, were you? I stepped away for a couple
No.
seconds. Okay, thank you.
No.
You're so scary. I said, they so scary. Turkey vultures.
These are seeing huge.
They so, they say they non-confrontational with that. It's so.
They are.
Perkins courtroom, Mr. Mayor, I can help. Okay, how you doing? Any reason why? Okay, so you need to complete the orientation. And then you'll take it out. Okay. What's your ticket number?
All right, I'm not gonna wait any longer.
You got your driver's license.
We're gonna reset this.
26. Okay. 2676.
Ms. Horn?
Set the trial.
Judge, would you like for me to call Ms. Horn on myself?
You have her number?
Yes.
Yeah, please just text her, tell her we're gonna reset this till, it's Thursday, I did, Ms. Mathis?
For you, for what?
I'll look it up.
Thursday is the second. This is just a free trial.
No, a trial, this is for this,
We got like 52 tickets scheduled. You should be fine.
we should, you sure? Okay, let's go back on the record with Ms. Bedoy. I'm gonna reset this matter because obviously, I didn't know it was gonna go, but, it's taken too long. We're going into the afternoon and the, Ms. Mathis and them have to have their break. So, we'll reset this matter for, Thursday, July the 2nd. Be here first thing in the morning.
I can do that, Your Honor.
All right, trial, Thursday, July the 2nd. I want to see if Ms. Horn has an issue bringing her officer in. I've been trying to get her out the room, but she has not, ever responded.
I did just text her, Judge, just waiting on a response.
Thank you. Sergeant Sterner, can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Yeah, sorry. Sergeant Kimberly Sterner, badge S590.
All right. We're gonna reset this matter till Thursday, the 2nd at 8:30 in the morning.
Okay, I have 2 other cases that are already that day as well.
Horn, can you put your appearance on the record again, please? Well, you've already put your appearance on the record. So we were trying to get another date for this. Sergeant Sterner has Thursday. She indicated that she has 2 other cases that day.
Okay. I please the court.
Pretty much here, I think.
Give me another date, Ms. Mathis.
Another date?
Please.
Let's see, you wanna see how Monday looks?
That's fine.
And thank you, Your Honor, I had to.
That's all right.
Monday is a better day.
All right, Monday. Is Monday good for everyone?
Sergeant, that works for you?
Yes.
That would be,
For me, Your Honor.
pardon me?
Oh, that works for me, Your Honor.
That's July the 6th at 8:30.
Your Honor, I do have work.
You can't zoom in from work. Are you at work now?
Yes.
Can you zoom in from work or what?
I can try. But it's a front desk job, so I don't.
Is a what?
It's a front desk job. I can try my best.
Well, what day, you may have to take the day off work, but what day are you off?
I can do next Tuesday.
The 7th?
The 7th? Was there any offers made?
Yes, there were, Your Honor, 12-month delayed sentence.
As charged?
As charged. Reason being, this is a target case for the city.
Understood.
The 7th one, looking really nice.
There's
We
not?
Still put her on there, I just didn't get it done. It was a lot of tickets for the 7th. You can still put her on there.
I understand.
Yeah.
Let's do the 7th. Let's do the 7th. It's gonna make it a long day, but let's do the 7th. Is this gonna be in person or are we trying to do this via Zoom?
I have no objection to coming in person, if Tamika Horn wants to do it that way.
I'm either way, Your Honor.
Let's have it in person. So Ms. Godoy, you're gonna have to come in person. Sergeant Sterner, you're gonna have to come in person.
Okay.
What time would that be at?
At 8:30.
8:30, okay.
All right, if there's nothing further,
Will I have to come in person?
For the witness, that's, yeah, you come on in person as well.
Come in person? Okay.
Yes. All right. All right, if it's nothing further, July the 7th, 2026 at 8:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you all.